Here we go, right? Hi everyone, I hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah. Today our sister Upani, she passed her driving road test. Congratulations Upani, and well done, huh?
Hey everyone, so it's Upani here, and I have finally passed my road test. This is my second attempt. My first attempt, I did a little mistake by not taking the car out of the parking fast, or I also did some mistake with the turning. But the second attempt, I did it very good, and I have finally passed my driving test, and I have got my license. Thanks a lot, Ahmed. This could only be possible because of you. So he's a very good instructor, and I highly recommend you to everyone. So yeah, I would also like to give you all like an advice when you're going to do your road test. You just don't be nervous. Don't be nervous at all, because the ROP is very nice. He will talk to you. If you're nervous, he will ask if you're fine. And don't be nervous at all, because he's not going to eat you alive or something. So yeah, don't be nervous at all, and you got this. If you're going to do the road test, you got this. And for the people who's doing the drum test, I passed my drum test and slope test in the first attempt. So I also want to tell you guys, don't get nervous. Check both the sides properly before reversing between the drums, and good luck.
Alright, Upani, drive safely and good luck inshallah. Okay, always be careful when you are driving in the road. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. See you inshallah another video. I hope for all students inshallah they pass the exam soon. Thank you.